Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Oneplus model and Oxygen OS version so you know which menus appear. This matters because labels change between updates. Once done, back up any important settings and note account passwords to avoid lockouts. Now open Settings and go straight to Utilities, where Oneplus recommendations or ads controls usually live. You're preparing the path. This ensures you won't chase wrong options later and sets you up for the quick toggles that follow. Next, you'll remove ads from core areas. First, in Utilities or Privacy, locate ad services or personalized ads and switch them off. This stops targeted content. Then clear caches for shelf, browser, and system apps. Go to Settings Apps, Show System Apps, pick each, and clear cache. This removes locally stored ad data. Make sure to revoke unnecessary permissions like microphone or location for apps that serve ads, because blocking data flow reduces ad relevancy. And finally, disable recommendations in Shelf, the launcher, and File Manager to stop promotional cards. This addresses UI-level ads. Uninstall or disable any third-party apps that still show persistent ads, and Scan with Play Protect to remove adware. If ads persist, reboot your phone, install system updates, and only then consider a factory reset. Remember to back up first. If something breaks, restore your backup or repeat permission steps. Most problems resolve by updating or clearing the offending app's data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.